What's up, everyone? I hope everybody's been having a good start to their 2026 year. I have, besides my regular job, I need to make some extra income. So I was door dashing all day, and surprisingly, it was a fantastic day of DoorDash, in case anybody wants to know. But we're here to do one thing, because this is the year of change for me. It's the year of grinding down and getting things taken care of. So we're going to be making something, and it's all going to just need this piece of wood, and it should be fairly simple, fairly quick, fairly easy, hopefully. Anyway, I have the plan in my head, but I need to execute that plan. So we're going to get some things started here. And I just realized I don't have screen recording set up on my computer yet. This is my laptop. Desktop's over there. It's still going to be used from time to time. It'll be much more used when I get to a bigger space. But regardless of that, I got to show you what I'm working on. So let me get that downloaded, and we'll jump ahead to where I'm actually working on what we're going to show you today. All right, so I now have OBS running and recording. So now we have some desktop action happening here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up Adobe Illustrator, so that way we can get some stuff pulled up here and get to create. Go down to the parties that my eyes are shut and the glowing red. I don't need sleep 'cause it's all in my head. It's all in my head. It's all in my head. You can find me on the dance floor, moving like a zombie for sure. My skin is looking paler, I'll figure it out later. Don't be so concerned, it's exaggerated. Alt, grab the corners and pull. We're going to give a 5-inch radius on the circle corners. And so now we have ourselves a nice circle here. Now, I'm not the professional at this. I know a handful of it, and I'm going to get myself better over this year. 2026 is the year of change, which is why I'm also making this. So bear with me here. So first things first, we need to add text. All right, we've got our main guy here. You can find me on the dance floor, moving like a zombie for sure. My skin is looking paler, I'll figure it out later. Don't be so concerned, it's exaggerated. Then I need this to cut, and it's going to cut out all the pieces. So we have 3 layers here. So we have an engrave layer, a score layer, and a cut layer, and we're going to use that in this. Now the engrave layer is going to happen first to engrave the one spot that's going to be engraved, and then it's going to get cut out on that piece, and then the rest of it's going to be scored onto another section, and that's going to be what makes this turn into what we need it to. So all right, well, whatever. Let's try and pull that off. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the laser going, gonna make sure it gets connected, and we're gonna get the file pulled over, and we're gonna go from there. All right, so I'm over here working on it. This is my S1 with the 40 watts. And don't mind my apartment, it's a little small. And oh yeah, we have Deadpool up there just hanging around. Ultimately, we'll wait for this update to finish, which is what's going on now. And once that's going, I can get the machine running. Okay, so due to working space and things I've been having to make sure are set in this, I needed to adjust this to where I have to do it in 2 different times instead of just running it all at once because of the space. If I cut the piece in half, I could actually do it all in one go, but I can't do that right now. So we're just gonna run it where I'm gonna do the one where I'm gonna do the cutout for all this, and then I will do the score on the other piece. So we're gonna do that first. So let's go ahead and get that going. All right, I've got everything set here on the computer. We're gonna go run it and get through our pieces, and we're gonna come back and then take a look at everything and get it all put together and finished. All right, so we've got the outline done. Just do it. My extra bonus piece that's gonna go onto the space, and all the letterings. I mean, these actually turned out really nice, but we got to, the reason I'm doing it this way, 3D effect, but also I'm gonna be adding some color to it. Because when they're cut out, I don't have to worry about, you know, accidentally getting on anything. So literally I'm gonna get the base set up with what color I need there, and then I'm gonna get the pieces done, get it all glued, and that's gonna be it. So let's fast forward through all that and let's see how this thing turns out. All right, we have got everything cut out, everything glued, colored first before the glue, just FYI, so we didn't get anything else on anything. And we've got it. This is my motto for 2026. Super simple, super easy. You know, just do it. I mean, what else can you do? You just have to do it. It's as simple as that. So, with this in mind, this is what I'm looking at doing for the year. And I'm gonna be making videos and making stuff like this, some random signs and trinkets. But yeah, definitely love this one. This one's my 2026 motto. Just do it. And if you guys want to see the journey, give it a like and subscribe. Let me know. Give me some suggestions or some other hints. I made one little mistake right here. Just one. It is what it is, but it looks good otherwise. So we're good to go. Just do it. Till next time.